Obviously, we live in a world using very nasty chemicals and very toxic chemicals. In a vapor honing system, we use 0 chemicals in this system, which means that it's more environmentally friendly and more green than any other process in the world, hands down. We use water and abrasive to achieve a certain result. No chemicals have to be used. We do use corrosion inhibitor, obviously on ferrous metals, but these things are very, very safe. Essentially, I'm not a chemist here, but it has something to do with salts and eliminating salts. Don't take my word for that. But again, corrosion inhibitor is another safe alternative. This is not a nasty chemical that cannot be disposed of easily, because that will be one of the huge applications that, or one of the huge questions that you face every single day is, are we using chemicals? How do I dispose of the abrasive? What do I do with it? And the answer can simply be, we use water and abrasive. You can dispose of that abrasive the same that you do with your dry cabinet. So if they toss the abrasive in the trash, the same can be done with a wet blast cabinet. There's no other process in the world that can achieve the level of finishing and surface smoothness that vapor honing can. Vibratory tumbling cannot compete with vapor honing. Obviously, dry blasting cannot compete with vapor honing, and that leaves vapor honing on its own. You have dry blast, vapor honing, and vibratory tumbling are your 3 finishing processes. Vapor honing will leave the smoothest, best finish on the part, or the smoothest overall part surface. Whether you're looking for an aesthetical appearance or not, it will leave you the smoothest part in the world. Because remember earlier we talked about 1200 mesh ceramic bead. 1200 mesh ceramic bead will give you the smoothest surface, period. And there is no other process in the world that can give you that smoothness, because they can't run those fine abrasives.